Gaming. We are doing some Slime Rancher, and we are gonna unlock these chests that you can find in here. It's taken me a while to figure out how to unlock these chests, but from what I've kind of figured out, is you gotta unlock this lab place. Oh, and I forgot to mention that we got Mr. Toxic, aka Goldie Tox, on the chat with us tonight.
Hello, everyone.
But as you can see, you have to unlock this lab. I didn't get the option to even get this thing until I unlocked the lab, which can be found just north of your house. My beautiful ranch. It's so beautiful. So beautiful.
It's bootyful.
But yeah, as you can see, this is your house. You go up there, and that is where you go unlock your research lab. But eventually it'll give you an option to come over here to your little customizing for your gun, and it'll get you this thing called a treasure cracker. For about 45,000 new bucks, it can be yours. So we're gonna go ahead and
For only
buy
$2, I can be yours.
Oh, the price has gone down. Have you been overcharging me, Mr. Toxic?
This is Goldie Talks. This is a whole different price.
Oh, well then, how come I haven't been getting the Goldie Talks special then?
But you are now, because, I don't know why, but you are.
I want my money back. I want my money back, sir.
Alright, well then your special will be free. It's a promo.
Alright, so let's go ahead and find one of these chests. Mr. Toxic, you haven't found any of these chests, have you?
No, the only chest that I've seen is mine in the mirror, and as I cry to myself.
More hey-hays, come here, hey-hays.
No, I have not seen chests yet, but I would like to see what you're talking about.
I know where one is. I'd have to... Where are these things? I've seen them. Oh, wait, what's that? Oh, I'm gonna jump up here. There's a chest over here. Alright. X to open pod. What is it? Oh my god, what is that? What are those? Spiral streams? If you search for it, you'll find something wonderful.
Oh, you opened a pod?
Yeah.
Oh, how the heck did you do that? I haven't been able to do those.
Like I said, once you open that research lab, after a while it'll give you an option to get the treasure cracker.
Oh.
So we're gonna...
And that's something totally different than the chest, right?
Those little circle pod things?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's those things. They're called the little treasure chest.
Oh, okay. I know what you're talking about now.
Yeah, we're gonna open some more. Where are all the treasure chests? I wonder what these spiral streams do. I don't know what they do, but we're gonna put them up for storage. So many hey-hays. So many hey-hays.
Hey, hey, hey.
Hey, dead homie.
Hey, dead homie.
Alright, so... I don't know. We gotta find all these treasure chests, guys. In the middle of farming everything. Mr. Goldie Talks, do you know where any more chests are? I mean, I know where some are, but it's gonna take me a minute to go find them.
Did you get the one that was next to where the tabby Gordo was?
I got the one that was by that slime door that was by the tabby Gordo.
Okay.
I mean,
I'm trying to
I've seen
think.
them other places. I guess we're gonna jump in these
Yeah.
teleporters and see if we can find them.
Yeah, that's probably the best idea.
Alright. Let's see. Where are you? Oh, there's a treasure. There's one right there. Oh my god, I got a sponge tree blueprint. It's a tree that can store a lot of water during dry months. I got a blueprint for a sponge tree. Whatever that is. Okay. Whoa. That was the one right there by the tabby. By the tabby Gordo. These chests are amazing. You know, I haven't been over here to figure out what's over here. All I know is that these guys want to kill me. What's over here? Oh yeah. Oh my god. We got our slime key. We're gonna go open up this thing. We're going to a complete new area, guys. And if you haven't figured out how to get the slime key, you can check out either my first video that I posted on this or Goldie Talks video. We both posted a video on how to get the slime key.
Matter of fact, watch them both.
Hit a like and subscribe to both pages. Oh, we got to the moss blanket. The moss blanket.
Oh yeah, that's the awesome place.
We finally got there. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I hear hey-hays. Oh my god, it's a fire hey-hey. Or it's a fire kitty. Fire kitty! Oh my god, puddle slime. Puddle slime. Is there anything special over here in this area?
You've got boom slimes, you've got honey slimes, you've got
honey slimes?
puddle slimes. Yes.
I got a thing where I can harvest their honey.
You can harvest my honey.
Oh, don't threaten me with a good time. This place is amazing. Look at the size of that shroom. I bet you would trip balls if you ate that.
I tried to suck that up in my vac one time and I was like, oh, that's just a part of the map.
You have to get a more advanced treasure cracker is required. Alright then. And I haven't really figured out what to do with the research lab, but I know I'm supposed to mine some stuff. That's all I know that I'm supposed to do. So I'm probably going to take it over to the crystal area and try to mine some crystals. What is that? Oh, there's another treasure pod right here. I want to get rid of these chickens. Goodbye, chickens. Wildflower patch. A patch of sweet-smelling flowers that honey slimes enjoy. I wonder how we process. Have you found the tabby Gordo or the Gordo slime in this area?
Yeah, there's a honey gordo in that area.
Awesome. I can't wait to find one of these honey slimes.
I know, I'm surprised you haven't come across one yet. In the beginning, it seemed to be like they were kind of hard to come across, but probably within a few hours of playing, I started launching them into the sea because there were so many.
Oh my God! What a get out of here! Get out of here! I just got wild honey and royal jelly.
That's hot.
I know, I am. Oh my God. This place is so amazing. Are those I feel like I'm in playing the game Avatar, or the movie Avatar.
I've never seen that.
Never? Just like I've never seen a honey slime. Oh my God, there they are!
What about a...
Alright, I'm gonna have to get rid of this. I think one of those pink guys just ate my honey slime.
Oh, hell no. I'd eat your slime, honey.
Oh my God, there's more of them. Oh my God, and there's one of those kitties. The white ones.
Those are my favorites.
We are gonna figure out what to do with those things. All I know is I just got like some new bugs. I'm trying to suck it up. Alright, so we got our honey slimes. We are gonna try to navigate our way back, and we're gonna try to figure out what we're supposed to do with our treasure. Oh, and there's another pod. An amber slime land. Awesome. These worlds are so amazing. Got the honey slime. What? Oh wait, there's more vegetables. Get off of it. Get off of it. Oh wait, that's open. I already got it. Alright. More okra. Hey, that's weird, a honey bloom slime?
Oh yeah.
Hey,
You should
so I
see
found
the
a
crystal
teleport.
boom slimes.
Holy. Teleport right up there. Awesome. So we're gonna go ahead and throw some of this stuff in storage, guys. Throw this wild honey in there. Oh, yeah, I got some of the crystal slimes. I did some of that in my other video. We're gonna add another area. This game is really, really addicting.
It is. It's like 2017 Pokemon.
Pretty much. Like, I was reluctant to play this, but I am so glad I started to play this.
I'm so glad I could get you addicted.
just so you guys know that Mr. or Goldie Talks is on Twitter. If you'd like to go add him or follow him, it's at FGW Goldie Talks, and that's GOLDITOCKS. Goldie Talks.
You are spot on.
I'd like to give another shout out to iCats _YT and at Serious Lonely on Twitter. They are the ones who helped me change out my name. They've been showing us a lot of love and support. So giving another shout out to you guys. We love you guys. You guys are awesome. Thank you.
We do love y'all. Like what was it that 50 Cent said? Like a fat gentleman loves cake?
Yes, but I love them more.
Whoa.
What do they eat?
How much? You love them
more.
more than a tabby slime loves chickens?
Yes, more than a tabby slime loves hey-hays.
Wow.
What do the honey slimes eat?
Honey slimes eat fruits, I think.
Oh, so much.
Or is it vegetables?
I don't know.
I think it's fruits.
Fruit. They eat fruit.
Fruits.
My little chat thing goes over what it says they eat, so I couldn't see it. So we're gonna get a garden, nutrients, sprinkler, all that good stuff. Alright, so let's see. Warp tech, decorations. So we need honey plorts, wild honey, hexacombs. So I guess this is the stuff that it gives you from the treasure chest. Different plans to build out different things, like an amber slime lamp, the sponge tree, the wildflower patch. You can get the warp tech, where you can set 2 gadgets to allow you to remove translate resources between 2 ports. And then we got the novice drill and the novice pump. But yeah, so that's how you guys open up chests. On the next video, we'll do how do you make the stuff that's in here in the research lab.
Right.
Until then,
And if I may, don't forget to follow me, and on my next video, it's gonna be how to find out why it burns when you pee.
please just let it be chlamydia. But anyways, this is Savagengaming and Goldie Talks signing out.
Later.
Don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe.
Subscribe!
Have a great night, evening, day, morning, whatever time of day it is you're watching this. Have a good one.
Enjoy yourself.
Don't tell me what to do. I won't
Oh,
enjoy myself if I want to.
Okay.